Hello traders, how are we? Hope you had a lovely weekend. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. Today is Monday the 22nd of April, and as always guys, we're going to look back at Friday's trades. Okay, and if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well. We're also going to look at, the reaction to that crazy Friday that we just had. All right, so stay tuned. Let's start with Friday, and we just took the one trade. Well, there was only one trade we were looking at, and it was euro pound, but we managed to get in on this trade, and we were looking to buy it. All right, and this was a nice trade. I mean, look at that daily candle. If we drop down to, well, if we look at the daily chart, why were we looking to buy it? Well, we was in an uptrend stroke range. Yeah, we were getting higher lows, higher highs, and then it formed a range. And I know you know this because I've been telling you this every day. All right, and it made sense to come from the bottom of the range up to the top because we was in an uptrend stroke range. We had bullish candles. We haven't even had a bounce off this nice support level here. And the idea was to take it up to here, this level here, if not further. Okay. So where did we enter? So if we go down to the H1 now, basically, guys, it was a sort of a bit of a H1 structure break. Let me get rid of that big movement in price so you can actually see the screen. Okay, let's leave it there. All right, so yeah, if we just follow H1 structure, guys, from here, yeah, we were just waiting for a break of structure. And we actually got it with this candle here, okay? This candle here, the highs of this candle, the body of this candle broke these highs, and even these highs here only just, okay? So I actually entered again. I was already in this trade. I actually entered again at this trade at this level. Put my stop below this swing low here. So my stop was in here. I actually use a hedge, but stop loss if you don't. And you can see price come down, it almost got our stop loss, but not quite. And then from then in on, it just shot up, guys. Yeah. I mean, even if you didn't get in over here, right? I also like, this candle as well. This was a nice candle to enter on. Bullish candle with H1 structure above the moving average 20, that's a very good entry for me. Okay, still put your stop below the swing lows. Yeah, and just look at how this ripped. Yeah, I closed 80% of my trade in here. Yeah, and then I closed the remaining 20% just about up here, guys. Yeah, I mean, in hindsight, I could have let this travel a little bit longer, but it was Friday. So yeah, I closed the trade and yeah, happy to take the profit. It was a very nice trade, guys. All right, so I hope you managed to get in on that. And if you want my trade signals, yeah, I give you my trade signals every day. You just need to join the VIP Trading Academy, and it is free right now if you follow our promotion. All right, so check out the link. Okay, so that was Friday, and that was the only trade from then. So let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my analysis and trade ideas every single day, then please come join the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button. It really helps support the channel and keeps the editor happy, which is important. Right, trades for Monday, the 22nd of April. Before I get started, let me mention the following. If you haven't joined our trading community, then why not? Yeah, you've got traders in there sharing knowledge, experiences, trade ideas. So come join our free Discord channel. All you need to do is create a username and we let you in. Simple as that. Secondly, right now, we are giving you access to all of my signals, all of my tutorials, and you get direct access to me because we are giving you free access to the VIP Trading Academy. All right, so check out that promotion right now. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's many perks for doing so. All right, so check it all out. It's all in the video description. Finally, do not forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York Eastern Time. come join me, get your questions ready, and we'll look at some live charts. Okay, might even have a trade, who knows? Right, trades for today then. As you know, Friday was a crazy day. Yeah. So all the indices were dropping down and, the poo was hitting the fan, and that led to flight to safety currency pairs gaining strength. Okay. So Swiss franc, Japanese yen, gold, silver, and US dollar to an extent. All right. But I want to show you something really interesting now. So it was really a battle between fundamentals and technicals. So fundamentals were telling us it's the end of the world and, flight to safety pairs will be strong. And that was the case until they hit strong technical levels. And I would say the technical levels beat the fundamentals, right? And this is a perfect example. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Okay, so Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, Swiss franc became strong because it was a flight to safety. And as you can see, on Friday, at one point, this came crashing. At one point, this candle looked like this, right? And it was totally red. Yeah, no wick. At one point, this candle looked like that, right? And everyone's probably thinking, blimey, yeah, what the hell's going on? The economy is crashing, right? But look at the reaction we get. So this is a strong technical level. I'm going to show you this on the weekly chart. Yeah, because if you look at that on the weekly chart, look at that for a great buying opportunity. Yeah, what was once resistance in here becomes support in here. And then all of a sudden, all of that fundamental, the economies, the indices are crashing. That within a day, the picture has totally changed, right? Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, this is now looks like a good buying opportunity. Yeah. So, be careful of jumping on the back of stuff that's happening now. Always give, the dust time to settle. Okay. Especially when it's fundamental and news related. All right. Let the market show you its hand, let the market react, then you can trade. Don't try and jump in on that fundamental news, okay? Because if you were trying to sell this, look where you'd be now. Yeah, you'd be thinking, my God, I cannot wait to get out of my sell. So technical levels won for me. Technicals beat fundamentals on Friday. If we drop to the day chart now, another interesting point is this, right? To go from this price here, because this was a trade idea of mine, I was looking to sell it because we're in a downtrend, right? And I was looking to sell it down to here. This was an old target. I haven't put this in retrospectively. This was a target from, the middle of last week. And, this move here from there to there would normally take days. Yeah, maybe you get a candle like that Friday, then you get a doji on Monday, a candle like this, maybe a little green candle, another candle down. This would have took days. All that did on Friday was just speed up the move. That's all it did. But the move was still the same. It was still a buy at this level because there was, this is a good support level, therefore a buying level. So I just wanted to show you that, be careful, don't jump in on the back of fundamental news, let the dust settle, and then make a more informed decision afterwards, okay? You do not want to be in that price action on Friday, okay? And that was true of a lot of the flight to safety pairs. Right, so yeah, that was the aftermath of Friday, but I do have some trade ideas for you today. So today, the trade ideas are based on pound weakness. Yeah, my motherland currency is weak, which is probably good for me. So yeah, pound weakness. All right, so let's start. We're just going to look at pound pairs today, and I've got 3 of them. So the first one, let's go back to the old faithful, right, is euro pound. Okay, this is still a trade idea. It is hitting, a level of potential resistance through here, but it's just so bad. It's so bullish. Yeah. And it's broken structure, you know, it's just such a bullish chart, right? So price is now broken out of this range that we were speaking about, broken out of this range, super bullish candle. And all really, guys, I'm just going to wait for a retrace. Will it be here? Will it be down to here? And then I'm looking to enter. So let's look at potential entry zones and how I will enter it. So if we drop down to the H4 now, there is obviously, you know, this level that was the top of that previous range. Now, I like this level, okay? But because the daily candle is so bullish, will price retrace all the way down to here? Yeah, we don't know. But if it does, then this is one level I would be happy to look for a bullish reaction, and then I'd start buying. Yeah, no problem whatsoever. So that's the first trade idea. Sorry, the first way we can approach euro pound. And then if we look at the H1, just look how bullish that is. What I may do is this, guys, just, you know, wait for price to retrace. Maybe the moving average 20 catches up, I don't know, to maybe here. You know, we get a bullish reaction in here somewhere. And then I will also be happy to buy euro pound back up to here, if not further. All right, so that's how I'm going to approach euro pound, and that's our first trade idea. The second one is pound Canadian dollar. And we're looking to sell it, obviously, because we're looking at pound weakness. If we start with the day chart, why do I want to sell it? Well, so let me just show you the target first of all. First of all, we've got room to move into, right? Back down to this next area of support. And that's always my target, the next piece of support if I'm selling, or the next piece of resistance if I'm buying. Yeah, makes sense, right? Just keep it simple, logical, trade like that, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. And now if we zoom in a little bit, you can also see that we are in. So at this point, we've broken these highs. We're potentially in an uptrend, right? Stopped making higher highs and then come crashing down. So we broke this last low here. We're in a downtrend. We also broke this low for good measure. We're clearly in a downtrend, and we've got a very bearish daily candle. Yeah, it doesn't get much more bearish than that. That is more bearish than Winnie the Pooh. So yeah, bearish candle, guys, and we're just looking to take price back down to here. Again, the thing you need to think about is how much will a bearish candle like that retrace? And all we can do, guys, is pinpoint some areas, right? So on the H4, we've got this last low here. So price could retrace to here. Yeah, and we've also got this area through here where price has reacted. So if price retraces to here and we get a bearish reaction, I'll enter. Or if price retraces to here and we get a bearish reaction, I will enter. Okay, so I'm just trading what I see, guys. I plan my trade, and this is how I plan it. You should do the same. Plan your trades every morning. I won't use this phrase. No, I won't. But, you know, the old phrase where it says, you know, fail to prepare, prepare to fail. I hate phrases like that, but it's true. So yeah, prepare what you're going to do before you're going to do it. You don't want any surprises when you trade. Yeah, you're like, right, this is an interest, a level that interests me. If I get a bearish reaction, I'll enter. Didn't get a bearish reaction. Okay, I'm interested in the next level. Will we get a bearish reaction? Let's see. Yeah, keep it simple. All right, so there are two ideas on the H4. If we drop down to the H1 again, you know, it might be a case of just the moving average 20, right? Because I use this as dynamic support or resistance. So if price comes back up to maybe here, yeah, we've got a nice bearish reaction on the H1 at the moving average 20. I will also, yeah, consider selling it as well. All right, so pound Canadian dollar sells. And then the final one is pound US dollar. So further pound weakness. So we're looking to sell this. If we look at the day chart, yeah, you can clearly see we broke this gray zone in here, right? Because of these levels through here. But you can see this daily candle has broken it. And there's a bit of room to move into down to this 2321. Okay. If you scroll out, you can see why it's my level. It's, you know, but basically, the net, it basically price has broken this area of support, and I just want to take it to the next area of potential support. Simple as that. If it breaks one level of support, take it to the next level. So yeah, we're looking to take it to there. And then if we just look at, you know, structure of the market, it's clearly in a downtrend, yeah? Lower highs, lower lows, downtrend. You do not have to be Warren Buffett. Nice big bearish candle, as we know with all pound pairs pretty much, and we're just looking to take it down to here. If we drop to the H4, yeah, so there's this level through here. Yeah, what was once support, yeah, when it breaks and retests, can become very good resistance. We get a bearish reaction, and then we're looking to sell pound US dollar. All right, guys, so those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday, the 22nd of April. Before I get started, guys, please do not forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York Eastern Time. Get all your questions ready for me. We're going to look at some live charts, okay? News for Monday, the 22nd of April, guys. Yeah, there isn't any. All right, so enjoy yourself. No, there isn't any, but I would be keeping an eye on this, guys. 4:30, yeah, the head of the ECB, President Lagarde, she's speaking. So, you know, must be aware of her speaking when we're in any euro trades, all right? But other than that, you are free to trade. All right, so guys, have a great trading day. Join me for the live stream later, and I'll see you soon.